Hello guys, today we're gonna assemble a 3x3 cube storage unit. Okay. Okay, we're gonna open the box to see what's in the box. Okay, first of all, instruction booklet. Okay guys, now that we have taken all the panels out, we've got six long panels, six small shelves, and then these are the back panels we have. Okay. Okay guys, here we have a hardware kit. So in this hardware kit we have 6 bags. We have dowels, long ones, small ones, some screws here, some nails here for the back panels, and screws here which we were going to drive in to secure the big panels. And these are the caps which will go on the screw ends to cover the heads of the screws, these screws here. Okay guys, to start off with, we're gonna pick up the panel 1 and we're gonna drive these plastic dowels in. So we're just gonna do that. So one here, one here, one here, and one here. Just gonna force them in a bit. It's got to be half on this side and half on this side. Okay guys, in step 2 we're gonna put the shelves together. So these are the shelves, so we're just gonna slide them into the dowels, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna just do the same here. Remember to have all the rough edges in the same direction. Okay, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Okay guys, in step 3 we're just going to repeat the process again what we did in step 1. So panel number 1 here, just going to drive 4 dowels in. Okay guys. Okay guys, that's that done. Okay guys, in step 4 we're just gonna pick up panel number 3 and we're gonna force the plastic dowels in here. One here, one here, and one here. Okay, and we're gonna put this one just here, just like that. Okay guys, now we're going to drive these screws in, and they came with this Allen key, so we're just going to use the Allen key to drive the screws into the wood from the bottom, from here. Okay, now we're going to do this side. Okay guys, now we're going to repeat the step 4 on the other side. Okay, just going to drive the screws into its place, one on each side. Okay guys, now we're gonna put these caps onto the screws we drove into the wood. So just gonna put the caps just like that. Okay, one, and then this one goes here. Okay guys, in step 5 I'm gonna do the top panel first. As you can see, I've already driven the dowels in, so I'm just gonna slide the top panel first, just like this. Just need to line up the holes and push the whole panel in. now we're going to drive the screws in. Altogether 8 screws on the top side of the shelf, and then 8 on the bottom. Okay guys, as you can see, I've done all the screws in except one, so I'm just going to do the last one on this top side of the shelf. And now I'm gonna put the caps on the screws. Okay, just like that. So this is the top side of the... Okay guys, now we're gonna repeat the same process what we did on the top of the shelf. So now we're just gonna do the bottom side of the shelf. Just gonna fix it now. Okay guys, now that we have put all the panels together, now we're going to do the back panels. So the back plate, according to the instruction, we should be doing one here, one there, one there, one there, and one in the middle. And you're supposed to skewer them panels, back panels, with the nails. So we're just going to do that now. Okay guys, now that we have completed the process, we have skewered all the panels, and we're just gonna make it stand up. Okay guys, as you can see, the shelf has been completed in no time, and you can see it's quite sturdy as well. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.